everyone, this is Lily Binglow with the ARC NPS, a licensed CPA right here. And today I want to talk to you guys about the importance of bookkeeping. We're going to talk about 8 reasons why every entrepreneur or small business owner should prioritize accurate bookkeeping. The first thing is that bookkeeping allows you to accurately report or identify your various income sources and your expenses. So when you're a business owner and you do many things, it's so crucial that you take the time to identify each income source and accurately report it. Because sometimes you might think you're making more money from one activity, meanwhile you're not. And same with your expenses. In order to stay out of trouble with the IRS, it's always important to make sure that you are only reporting the business expenses under the business and you're not adding any personal expenses. So if you don't have a good bookkeeping system, it's so easy to get everything mixed up. The second reason why bookkeeping is important is that it allows you to evaluate your business's performance. If you do not take the time to track what's coming in and what's going out, you might never know if your business is making money or if your business is literally bleeding. Sometimes you can even have a lot of inaccuracies that you might be missing out, and you will not catch it unless you have a good bookkeeping system in place. And that will allow you to see how your business is performing and make you plan even better. The third reason why bookkeeping is important is that it helps you to make timely, strategic, and financial decisions. Like, for example, the decision to hire a new employee. You might think you can afford it, but if you do not have your numbers in order, you can go hire someone and then come end of month you're not able to meet up with the payroll tax requirements of the IRS. So it's very important to have a good bookkeeping system that shows you at every point in time through your profit and loss statement or your balance sheet statement what it is that the business is able to do. Also, there are times when an opportunity might open for your business to expand. Well, if you do not know your numbers, how can you even make a bold step like that, right? The fourth reason why it's important to have good bookkeeping system is that you can always evaluate the entity that your business is set up in and make changes accordingly. But there are certain changes that may not happen if you don't even know where you are as a business, and you might be losing out with the benefits that come with being set up or with operating in a certain type of entity, especially when it comes to the IRS. My fifth reason why I believe having accurate bookkeeping system is timely tax filing. The number of entrepreneurs that file their taxes on the last day and they get to file them inaccurately, it's alarming, right? Because most people don't do any bookkeeping and then they wait till April 15 and then they rush to the tax person and then they hand over this box of receipts and bank statements. And you really think this person is going to spend 8 hours doing bookkeeping for you when they have a ton of clients that they could be making more money from? What's going to happen? They're going to put in any kind of number and file your return. And then when the IRS comes looking for you, they are nowhere to be found. So when you have your books in order, you know what happens? By the end of the year, everything is ready to go. All you're taking to your tax person, your profit and loss statement, your balance sheet, and then they get your tax filed for you on time. Right? So the sixth reason now for making sure you have a good bookkeeping system is that it allows you to take advantage of tax strategies that could benefit you and to have a solid tax planning. So think about this, right? There are certain tax strategies that you can implement depending on your revenue or your net income. But if you do not know at any point in time how your business has performed or if you know you're even bringing in enough revenues, how can you leverage those tax strategies for your benefit? So having a good bookkeeping system will allow you to take advantage of the different tax strategies and put plans in place to keep you many steps ahead of Uncle Sam. The seventh reason, which I believe is the most important reason why you should have a good bookkeeping system in place, is funding. When your books are in order, you get to attract funding and literally get funding. If you go to the bank, if you go to an investor, if you go to anybody and you tell them you want a loan or you want them to invest in your business, the first thing they're going to ask you for is your profit and loss statement or your financial statements, which also includes your balance sheet and your cash flow statements. Now, without a good bookkeeping system, it's almost impossible to have this in order, and that will make you miss out on funding that could help your business grow and expand. My eighth reason is peace of mind. When you know how your business is doing and you know everything is in order, you can sleep easy, right? Well, guess what? I love you guys, and I would hate to leave you at number 8. So I got a bonus one for you. Why you should have a good bookkeeping system is to give you the opportunity to sell if that ever came to it. For example, if someone came to you and wanted to buy your business, when your books are in order, ABC, that's it. Bam, it happens. But if your books are not in order, they're gonna be really concerned, or gonna ask a lot more questions about the performance of your business, and you might be thinking, it's time for me to close this and move to something else. But without accurate records, that would absolutely hold you back. Okay, so if you do not have a good a bookkeeper as of this point, please get yourself one. If you're hands-on, please invest in it. You can get yourself a software like some software like there's Drake. Yes, there is a Wave accounting for small business owners. I think a portion of it is free. There is QuickBooks as well for self-employed individuals and small businesses. Make sure that you're leveraging these different tools so that you can have your numbers in order. That will save you so much headache and put you so many steps ahead of other business owners. But if you do not have a firm, we'll be happy to be your accounting firm. You can visit our website, www.arcnps.com, or you can call 757-977-8911 to book an appointment. We serve clients all over the US, and we won't want you having books that are inaccurate. We don't want you to miss out. Reach out to us. I'm Lily Binglow, a licensed CPA with ARC NPS. I look forward to coming to you guys with more information that could help you fine-tune your business, improve your business, grow your business, and let your business outlive you. Be safe, everyone. Bye.